your smile now. Join me in and you kicking me out. You're my head spin, no kidding.
Wagwan, no Paul is was today, but it is breaking news, and it is coming in from Nationwide Radio via their Twitter feeds, and it read: Breaking, dancehall star Tamale Sprata has been sentenced to 3 years imprisonment after he pleaded guilty to illegal possession of firearm. He was sentenced to 2 years behind bars for illegal possession of ammunition. Sentence will run concurrently. So yeah, that's some news coming in. So Tamale has pleaded guilty, and I think from when them have Tamale from last year, right? So I think him there for a year or less, something like that. Whenever I really keep up or much like that, but again, the Jamaica system not play with these entertainers. But at the end of the day, these entertainers need to forget the legal firearms. But then again, them don't even make it easy for them get it. Anyway, catch you in the next one.